Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to work in a model with many views. And this is a core concept of the Revit fundamentals, how to work with one view and it will change on the other views if you are going to any change in a relevant view. So see, there is a level 1. On the left side, we have properties panel. On the right side, we have project browser. In the project browser, level 1 is highlighted, that is opened already. The second views are the 3D views. In the 3D views, I open the 3D view and then drop down. There is a schedules and quantities all. Here we have door material takeoff. Double click and then open this view. Now I already open 3 views. So press the keyboard hotkey, that is WT, for the different views. Here in level 1, double click and here 3D select and double click to make centralize of the views. Now go to the door material takeoff. Just press mark 103, that is the door mark, where we have the second column is the type and third is the family and type and fourth is material name. We already selected here in the quantity view 103 mark for the door. Just select on the level 1, then you will see the selection of that door, where we go the mark number of the door is 103, that is already selected. Okay, and now go to the 3D view, just enter or press the left key of your mouse on the 3D view, so you will see the selection lines in the 3D view. So here we can't see how to see the selection of the door. So here we just press from the keyboard the short keys of the BX, that is the selection box. And in the selection box, here we select the selection box and press the control keys and just drag it up, or whatever you can see your entire view or required, you can drag it. So I little bit just drag it on the left and right and back side. So this is the 3D view in the selection box. Now I select same 103 and go to the level 1. Let's see here little bit, if I change, just press the right key of the keyboard, then you see my door is moving, and meanwhile its effect on the 3D view. So here this is the core concept of using the Revit, that if you change anything, any object, any elements of the entire category, it will change and this will affect on the other views as well of the your project. So let's see, it will affect on how to the section. So we already draw the section. Okay, you can right click and go to the view. Here we have level 1 and section 1. Just press WT from the keyboard and you will see Here we have a section view. 103 mark and just press on the section 1, then you can see this door selection in the selection section 1, and in the level 1 the same door, and in the 3D view. So let's say if I little bit change in the family and type of the door, just I press M double flush 1730 into 2134 mm. Once I select, you will see the door type, family and type, it is changed. Here also in the level 1 it is changed, and here also in the 3D view it is changed. So this is the core concept of the Revit. By using the Revit, the BIM tool, how we can work in a model with many views. And this is also the fundamental rule and concept of the Revit, how to change anything in any view, it will affect on the other views and whole project. Okay, so now same thing, if I go to the door material takeoff, selection 202 mark number, here the type, and here the family and type. So it is the same location on the second view, second level. So we go to the level 2, and then in the level 2 you can see our door is already selected, that is 202. The same concept, if I drag or change the position of the door, so it will affect on the other views as well, even in the 3D, even in the section as well. So if I change the family type in the door material takeoff view, so it will affect on the section, level 2, and the 3D view, and all the documentations, and in the 3D views as well. So this is the core concept of the Revit. So hopefully you will learn a very good concept of the Revit. Hopefully now follow the next lecture. Thank you so much.